Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add fringes to your mug rag. For this you will need your thread, the color of your choice, a bigger crochet hook. Here I have a 4.5. 4 to 5 is okay. I crocheted the rag with 2mm crochet hook and some scissors. Take a strand of 1.62 m, fold it in half, then fold it in half once again a second time, then a third time, and the fourth time, and the last one. Take your project from the back side, insert your hook in the space where you want to add your fringe. Get the loop in the hook like so, pull it through the space, yarn over the hook, pull the loose ends from the loop. And that's it. Repeat for the remaining spaces. Cut all the loops, the 4 loops. You can get the written pattern of this mug rag in one of my shops. Please see the links below this video in the description box. That's it, the fringe for your mug rag. This is the right side of it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for today. I hope to see you next time. Bye.